Brooke, let's read number 2.
Points J, K, and L are vertical of the triangle. Classify the triangle by its size.
So when we are classifying by its size, let's look at our 3 categories. I could say it could be an equilateral. What else can it be? Isosceles. And then my third one could be scalene. Now, because I gave you a picture with a grid, we can automatically just, by looking at this, typically you would have to find the distance formula 3 times. But can we just kind of pinpoint out what shape this is automatically?
Yeah.
What is it?
Scalene.
And if you're going, well, I'm not exactly sure, use distance formula from J to L, J to K, and L to K, and you'll see that the distance are all different. Is everyone okay with that? Okay? So let's say you're given an order pair instead of the grid. Can you just plot it on your own? As long as you can make them evenly distributed? Yes, you can. All right? For number 4, Bobby, let's read. All right. So when I did teach this to you guys, I don't know, back in Unit 4-ish, was more specific is always, less specific is what? Sometimes. So in this case, is equilateral more specific than isosceles or less specific?
More specific.
So we know this is always. And then for then isosceles to equilateral, the isosceles is less specific. So this one is going to be sometimes. So let's write no.
It's every isosceles triangle.
Sometimes. So no, it is. As in no. Okay? All right. Let's go on to number 14. Macy, let's read number 14.
Okay. Find the value of x minus 1.
Okay? So then, let's see if we can figure out some parts without looking at the variable first. And I'm going to get a little tiny card out. The first thing I would do is maybe hide the triangle on the left. What is that one tick mark each representing? They are isosceles. So I know if this angle is 56, can I repeat that on the other unknown side? So 56. So to find angle x, we would have to add, okay, good. We would have to add 56 together and subtract it from 180. Oh, it is. I shouldn't record today. So isn't that 112 together? So how many must be my x then? 68. Now let's go to the other side. So just by looking at this, what do I know about a linear pair? It equals 180. So I know 180 minus 56, that's going to give us 124. Then I know we have another isosceles triangle. So if I take 180 minus 124, that's going to give us how many? And then I know 56 is going to be divided between these two. So we know y has to equal how many? 28. And the question says x minus y. 68 minus 28 is 40. Parker, let's read 15.
The triangle below is isosceles with a vertex and B. The perimeter of the triangle below is 26. Find the value of x.
All right, so if I know my vertex is B, what 2 sides must be congruent then? A, B, and BC. So I can mimic whatever's on BC over 2x minus 5. And then I know our perimeter has to be 26. So what can I do with the expressions around it? Add them all up. So if you want to add them up as you go, go for it. If you want to write them all out, you can. I think I want to just kind of go at once. 5x minus 8 is 26. And then I have 26 plus 8. How many is that? 34. And then this is going to give us some ugly number, which is fine. So you know 5 can go into 34. How many whole for sure? 6 and 4/5. If you want to make that into improper, that's okay. What's up?